JBL BassPro Hub 11-inch subwoofer review. Real 30 Hz bass from your spare tire without losing trunk space.
You crank the volume, hoping the bass will finally show up, but your door speakers just sound thinner and angrier. Every song feels incomplete, like you're missing half the experience. You've seen subwoofer boxes online, but the thought of losing your trunk space for groceries, luggage, or weekend trips feels like an impossible trade-off. That frustration sits there every drive. Sound painfully familiar yet? Type yes if you've been stuck here too long.
Here's what quietly eats at you. You spent money upgrading speakers, but music still feels flat and lifeless at highway speeds. Your friend installed a massive box in their trunk and now complains every time they need to haul anything. You've tried those tiny under-seat subs that promise the world but deliver almost nothing. But there's actually a way out. You just haven't seen it installed the right way yet. Then I installed the JBL BassPro Hub 11-inch powered subwoofer system in my Civic's spare tire well, and everything changed overnight. Don't just buy any car audio subwoofer. Make sure it has a built-in 200 watts RMS amplifier with variable bass boost, so you never suffer from that frustrating trunk space versus bass quality dilemma again. The difference hit instantly. The 11-inch driver sitting flush in my spare tire well produced deep, chest-thumping 30 Hz bass that I could feel through the seat. I opened my trunk afterward, completely empty, exactly as it was before. My buddy saw it and couldn't believe the bass was coming from under the floor. Another friend loaded his Golf spare tire well with the same unit and said his jazz recordings finally had the warm, textured bass he'd been chasing for years. The sealed enclosure delivers tight, musical bass. Kick drums snap, bass guitars resonate with body, and hip-hop tracks rumble with authority. The included remote controller mounts near your knee for instant adjustment. Here's the bonus. The high-level inputs tap directly into factory wiring without needing an aftermarket head unit. Which feature excites you more? Comment 1 for 0 space loss or 2 for genuine 30 Hz depth.
Here's what actually happens after installation. You fire up your first song and the bass you've been missing for years suddenly fills the cabin. Deep, warm, and physical, without any muddiness or vibration rattle. The 0 to 12 decibels variable bass boost at 50 Hz lets you dial in exactly the punch your music needs, from subtle jazz warmth at 3 decibels to aggressive hip-hop thump at 12 decibels. One hatchback owner told me, "I was skeptical a disc under my trunk floor could deliver real bass, but the first kick drum made me laugh out loud. It hit harder than I expected, and my cargo area stayed completely open." A sedan driver said, "The sealed enclosure produces tight, controlled bass that serves the music instead of overwhelming it. Exactly what I wanted." The remote controller becomes second nature. Reach down, twist the knob, and bass adjusts instantly for podcasts, phone calls, or music without ever touching your phone. A family SUV owner reported flawless performance through 18 months of summer heat and winter cold with 0 overheating or reliability issues. The 200 watts RMS amplifier delivers serious output in compact cars and satisfying bass even in larger SUVs. Which result matters most to you? Comment 1 for sound quality, 2 for space savings, or 3 for easy remote control. The installation uses included hardware and a wiring harness, making it achievable in an afternoon without custom fabrication. Professional shops typically complete it in 2 to 3 hours. Car audio forums and compact car communities have quietly made this their standard bass upgrade because it solves the space problem without compromise. The JBL BassPro Hub 11-inch powered subwoofer system gives you genuine 30 Hz extension, 200 watts RMS power, 0 trunk space loss, and a driver-positioned remote, all in one spare tire well package. Availability fluctuates seasonally as installations spike during spring. Full installation guides, fitment compatibility, and current stock status are linked in the description and pinned comment below. Your trunk deserves to stay empty. Your music deserves to feel complete. Time to stop compromising on either.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.